Property manager Ronaldo Zoni is suing landscape company owner Francis Esquire VI for $20,000 in severe damages.
Yes. Mr. Zoni, you hired Mr. Esquire to maintain your lawn on your apartment complex. Is that correct?
That's right, Your Honor. He a horrible man, you see. He horrible. He destroy everything.
Hey, why don't you shut up, you greaseball?
Order, please. Yeah, I will have it. Mr. Zoni, all I asked is, did you hire Mr. Esquire? That's all.
Yes, I hire him, yeah.
And you are suing for the amount of $25,000 for destroying, well, first your lawn, which then attracted rats, which, unusually enough, then attracted rats in your building to cause even more damage.
Oh, that's all right. I have other pictures.
Give me C, please. Give me C.
Oh, great. Well, hey, do you have the picture when I pounded the ever-living? You, huh? Well, you will very shortly.
You shut your face, you crazy fool.
Children, please, stop. I will throw you out. Believe me that. All right? Now, Mr. Spaghetti, please explain these pictures more.
Look, here's a truck in my driveway, and it's all messed up after he finished the job. Look at all that shit. And there his employee nap on a job.
Ah, boy, you have to be kidding me. Your Honor, come on. By state law, an employee has to take a 30-minute lunch. No exception.
Yeah, well, you don't want to mow on the lawn. You don't. And it was left there for hours, and you don't take a 3-hour lunch.
You're really pushing it, you dago. I'm going to tell you right now, in about 30 seconds, you're going to meet my friend. Yeah, his name's Punchface.
All right, enough. Absolutely enough. Please, two of you. See this? I'll throw it. Mr. Ronzoni.
Your Honor, these are bigger holes in the grass that attracted rats. Look at the size, they're like a life size. A big rats come out of water, rats all over the apartment, in the basements, even in rolls. And then they started coming in and making messes. Look at the rat. Look at the rat. Look at the rats up there. And then take another look at the rat.
He destroy everything. He and his employees, they all get drunk and they start partying and they started ruining my property. I mean, these pictures they're absolute proof.
Yeah, look, Your Honor,
don't you see, Your Honor? Hey, Your Honor! Oh, the hell was a leprechaun doing in the basement with a dragon? Sorry, folks. Forgive me. Please. Where exactly were we again?
Your Honor, this is nonsense. The guy's full of... I mean, come on, really? First of all, it's been the worst drought we've had in years, ever. Of course, and it's not my fault his lawn sucks and he doesn't take care of it. That's why they're called landscapers in the first place. And rats, give me a break. Do you think I called up the rats and told them to come over? I didn't send a letter and say, "Dear rats, come on over, love Francis." Absolutely not.
You impossible man.
Why don't you suck my...
Okay, look, stop. Both of you. Both of you stop right now. Mr. Anzoni, though, I'm afraid he is right. I mean, there was a terrible drought. There was no way. Absolutely no way to keep any lawn, first off. And of course, he didn't invite rats. How would he invite rats over to your place? It makes no sense. Your claim is dismissed, sir.
Fuck!
And now for the counterclaim.
Mr. Esquire, your counterclaim, please.
Your Honor, this Guido bastard here set fire to my lawn equipment out of pure spite and rage. I have some pictures. Why don't you take a look? There's my brand new Toro, burnt to a crisp, and my rider as well.
Hey, you a lying son of a bitch. Your Honor, this is an absolute outrage.
You know, I certainly had no clue that a carrot was even a vegetable. I always thought it was some kind of meat. I'm sorry, huh?
Santa Maria, and Magustis are the impossible.
Well?
And now the judge's final decision.
Yes, of course. Well, due to these pictures, I have no choice in the matter but to rule in favor of Mr. Esquire for the $5,000. You will have to pay that within 15 days. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye.
Mr. Ronzoni, your thoughts on the outcome?
Well, how dare this landscaper? He's an absolute charlatan con, man. He's a piece of the fuck.
Mr. Esquire, your thoughts?
Well, I'm just glad that justice was served, and I think the judge made a good decision. You know, this guy's a piece of shit, and nobody should ever have to put up with the garbage we did there. I mean, sure, we dug holes in his lawn and made a mess and partied and got drunk and napped on the job and invited rats as well. In fact, every night I'd bring him by the truckload to fuck up his house. Anyways, too late. I already owed him $5 grand. Now, why don't you go get your pocketbook out there, you grease?